Approaching train is westbound train 8741, a Speonk to Jamaica local. It's 6:55 p.m. and he's just departed Bayshore. Next stop is Babylon, but not before he passes through Brightwaters, picking up speed. This train followed the last train from Montauk out of Patchogue. It serves the local stops where it connects to an electric train at Babylon. It's a push-pull train, as most of the trains are through here. Most of the power packs are either a collection of MP15s, FA Alcos, or General Motors F units. Approaching train is train 8707 en route from Montauk to Jamaica. It's an all-year train. Sunday nights runs with a couple of engines and a fairly long train. He'll be flying through here. westbound is out of here at 7:36 p.m. with a little horn trouble. Yeah, that train had a nice healthy consist, 2 GP38-2s, 1 parlor, and 11 coaches. Mostly from the 2900 series P72 standard coach class, which has been in service on this railroad for over 40 years. Looking at one of the old Alco FA power packs. They'll soon be history. As the new double-deckers are ordered with new locomotives, the locomotives will have their own built-in HEP system. And 8740 is coming behind me. The westbound Cannonball train 8711 is due. It's 8:30. He usually passes by here a couple of minutes before this.